Hello guys, good morning. It's me Ryan, known as Ryan PDT in the chat room, and today I traded AAL. It was a really good trade. That's why I want to share it to you guys. I was done in the first 5 minutes. I was almost all out with my trades. I added here, took some more off here. I thought it's gonna break 12.95, but it didn't do it. I kind of added it here again and then just decided to get out. Good thing I got out because it just dumped all the way to 12.16 area. But yeah, as you can see, I was in really early at 12.10 as planned. It was just hovering around 10 cents the first few seconds of the first minute candle, and then right at the 12.10, it touches 12.10, I entered. So yeah, let's watch my trade. So there you go, market opens. You can see so it's kind of hovering around right at the bat. It has like 1.3 million, and it was hovering around $12 area. So $12 is a key level and 12.10. So when I saw that its price is increasing, and then I just immediately go in because of I see a lot of large orders in here. So I'm in 12.10. There you go. I see large orders again. Took some more off, just 10%. So I was actually risking $12. It's about 10 cents. There you go, another 10%. It's just really good. It's just not going back at all. So I was kind of scared at this level. So 12.28, I was watching it, then I took half in there when I saw that it's just going through. So another 10%, and yeah, I probably took another half in here. Yep, there you go. And I was not hitting market. I was doing limit orders. So yeah, there you go. Come on. Yeah, it was just really obvious because of the large orders. Took some more off here, and I was hoping for 12.95, but since it didn't break, I just took most of my shares here. So I have 10% left of my shares, and then when I saw that it's kind of holding 12.50 area, maybe it's just gonna, if it doesn't make new 1 minute low, and then I'm just gonna add. So looking at this price, 12.50 and 12.60, and then when I saw it goes up, I added. So I'm back into my position. So I added a bit, and I saw that if it goes below 50, I'm just gonna get out. Come on, I was closely watching time and sales as well. Yeah, there's selling pressure in there, so I was careful now because I see a lot of selling pressure in there, and then made new 1 minute low. There you go. Now I'm confident it's gonna go up. So I was waiting for 12.70 break. Let's see for a 12.70 break. Come on, it's not happening. 65, 66, 67. Come on, 70. I don't see, and I took some more because I didn't really see a lot of them. There were green prints and out here and there, but yeah, and SPY is dumping. I'm looking at it now. So you know, let's see if it holds 12.50. That's what I was thinking actually. If it holds 12.50, then I'm just gonna add whatever I took in here. Come on. So my stop is now about 12. Oh, I almost got stopped. My stop is 12.37 area. I still have shares of what I have in here. So I just want to add. Come on, 12.50, 12.40. Let's see what happens. Fast forward this a bit. Yeah, when I saw buying pressure, I kind of anticipating for a 12.50 break, but it didn't work. So I was kind of adjusting my stop 12.35 area. I was willing to risk a little bit more. 12.35. Come on, 12.60. Yeah, it didn't work. So when I saw that it didn't really work, I just got out because I know this is probably going to break. Yeah, see. So normally when a stock, like on the levels that I draw, when a stock is not breaking around numbers like 1250, I'm sure it's just gonna dump because it's right at the VWAP. It's just gonna, like sellers would just push the price to wherever it opened. So around this price, 1260. So this is where you don't want to get in right away, right? Get in right away at short, even it's in the VWAP, because sometimes it just sell off and it's just gonna go back up since the stock has gapped up. So I was waiting patiently, but I probably did not. I decided not to trade anymore because it looks like it's still strong, right? It's making higher highs for 1 minute, but it's not breaking one. This is probably where people will get in, and then there you go. So it's kind of like a fake out, and it's probably gonna go back to 1216, and it's gonna go up. So sometimes it just dips twice and then goes up. So you have to be really, really careful. Like, imagine if you go in here, your stop is here, then you're done, right? So this is like a bad sign. That's why I didn't want to take it long again. So as you can see, yeah, that's it. So let's watch what happened in there. Yeah, so it kind of like went up here, right? And then dump again, 1216. Yeah, so I was kind of right in there. Sometimes you really have to be careful and be patient before getting in, because that's like a huge move, right? So yeah, and then there you go, it's up to the races. This is probably where you want to enter. When you see like it tested, and then it goes back to VWAP, you see a consolidation, then you want to get go in and risk maybe somewhere here, and then look at the and then you get out on daily levels. Now it's back to 1250. Yeah, that's about it. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you have any questions, just comment down below, and I'm gonna help you out, and if I know the answer. And please subscribe to BBD channel. They're the best. I've been with them for almost 2 years now. So if you like this video, please subscribe to their channel, and then hit the like button. And yeah, so have a good day, everyone, and stay safe. Wear a mask if you want to get out. And I was hoping this pandemic is over soon. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. Peace.